Hello and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about how to use neuromarketing to improve your digital marketing strategies. Neuromarketing is the study of how the brain responds to marketing stimuli. By understanding how the brain processes information and makes decisions, you can create more effective marketing campaigns that resonate with your audience. In this video, we'll show you how to use neuromarketing to improve your digital marketing strategies. The first step in using neuromarketing to improve your digital marketing strategies is to understand your audience. Who are your customers? What are their needs and preferences? What motivates them to make a purchase? Use this information to create marketing messages that resonate with your audience. Once you understand your audience, use emotional triggers to create marketing messages that appeal to their emotions. The brain processes emotional information more quickly and deeply than rational information. Use emotional language, images, and music to create an emotional connection with your audience. To improve your digital marketing strategies, optimize your website for the brain. Use simple and clear language, colors, and design to create a visually appealing and easy-to-use website. Use clear calls to action and reduce cognitive load to make it easy for visitors to take action. Social proof is a powerful tool in neuromarketing. Use customer reviews, testimonials, and social media to show that others have used and enjoyed your products or services. This helps build trust and credibility with your audience. Personalization is key in neuromarketing. Use data and analytics to create personalized marketing messages and offers that are tailored to your audience's needs and preferences. Use retargeting and email marketing to provide personalized recommendations and reminders. In summary, these are the steps to use neuromarketing to improve your digital marketing strategies. Remember, the key to success in this field is to understand your audience, use emotional triggers, optimize your website, use social proof, and personalize your marketing. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel for more videos on digital marketing and neuromarketing strategies.